It is May 21st, 2020, and here we are back at the red gingers. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking about the red gingers and how they're doing. It's been over a year. It's been well over a year actually, and I've just been trying to give the gingers some time to get bigger, because I think the placement of where I decided to grow these red gingers, I'm not sure if they like it here. Maybe it's just the soil content. I really don't know, but they haven't been doing too good. And actually, only recently I've been able to buy myself a water pump so I can water these guys more regularly, because they've been here shaded by this giant tree here. Although I see the red ginger in very tropical spots, as in, you know, kind of blended in with all the other vegetation around, and shaded under bigger trees. I do also see them growing out in the open, sometimes in folks' front yards, even around the house. Not really any shade around. So when I did first bring them out here, they were actually about this size, and this was a while ago. Keep in mind, a lot more shoots keep shooting off of these red ginger plants. And as you can see here, I only had no more than 5 little shoots planted per pot. But just looking at these, you can easily tell that there are a lot more than 5 shoots coming off of it. So they kind of really bush out, and I haven't got any significant upward growth. But at the same time, like I said, I wasn't really watering them regularly. I have some here as well that aren't doing too good. Hopefully this regular watering schedule that I give them will allow them to grow a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently. This is the biggest out of all of them here, which is really isn't that big at all. However, it is bigger than we started off with. I'm not too worried about it, because I know now that I have that water pump, I'll be able to water these a lot more regularly, and they'll get the water that they need. So as far as water goes, that's not going to hinder the growth. But I really, like I said, I really wanted to put this video up because I know lots of you have been asking about the red ginger. We're nowhere near any blooms of red ginger, but when it does happen here in the future, I will be letting you guys know through another update. But as for now, that's all we got, guys.